Hi, this is Richard Price from Digital 360, and this is a short video about the tenant record in Zoho CRM for property managers. So tenants are a subset of accounts. So if we go into accounts, we can see tenants. Now, what you're seeing here is a view of tenants. The account database is filtered out in this particular instance by tenants, active tenants, so we can see the status, and we can see the type, and we will be able to see the region once the full database is inserted in here. So from that particular perspective, that is one of the requirements of this particular module. So if we go into a tenant record, so what we've got is on the left hand side you'll see all the different related modules. Now we have to bear in mind that the accounts module also caters for investors and contractors as well as tenants. So from that perspective, you will see on the left hand side things like investments, buy trades, sell trades, etc. We cannot hide those particular ones depending on the type category. So you can see there, once again, the standard Zoho platform is shown here. You can see that there's one contact, there's emails, etc. So what you'll be able to see down here, and what is pertinent here, is that you will have leases, invoices, work orders. You'll be able to see the properties, purchase orders. There may be attachments, leased areas, so that is actually a subset of leases. We've got rent reviews, etc. So you can actually see all of that from this one area, and that is one of the purposes of the account record, is to be able to consolidate everything into the one place so that you've got one place that you can access everything from. So let's just go through this. We've added trading as. We can see that there's now tick boxes for the different types. So we're in the process of removing this drop down. It's a multi-pick drop down. The reason for that is a couple of things. In that, in order for us to be able to dynamically hide and show what's in here, we can't use a multi-pick list. Multi-pick lists are useful at the front end for collecting data, but not as helpful when we're doing reporting and segmentation. So that was the reason for that particular change. We've got the regions here. Once again, there are some current issues with the regions in terms of there is some regions coming in here from elsewhere, and we just need to start to lock down that particular side of things. So you've got your vision code, etc., and then what you can see down here is all the properties, leases, etc. You can see that there are other contacts. Now we do have to remember the reason why there are other account contacts is because we've got many-to-many contact scenario now within the linking between contacts and accounts, hence this particular section here. But you can also see some other stuff coming through. So we've got those. So that is the tenants record layout. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.